Now let's put our focus on the petty cash journal. We'll continue with the exercise. You can see here we have got petty cash journal. Let me just delete this so that you cannot be confused. You see, so in other words, we have to go up there and check only the information that says petty cash journal. Okay, so now if you can check the one on the 9th set petty cash journal. So I'm going to come here on the 9th. PC is on the PC3432. I'm going to start with that one on the 9th. So I'm going to go down there. The source document. I'm going to put it there. Can you see now? And then it's on the 9th. Yes. And then, so if you can check, the details was L. Foster. The L. Foster is the owner of the business. I'm going to put L. Foster here. Can you see now? And then what happened? Let's go back and check. On the 19th, is it the 9th? Yes. L. Foster took cash from the petty cash for own use. Remember, this is drawings. And again, drawings in the form of cash. Drawings in the form of cash, you must know that it is not vertible. Okay, you must know that. So it's not vertible, so I'm going to record the amount as it is. So I'm going to go and record in the petty cash the amount of how much? Of 400. Okay, I'm going to go and record petty cash. I'm going to record here 400. Can you see the same procedure? And now there is no VAT implication. Can you see now? There is no VAT implication. And again, before I continue, because this is the main account, let me just write it down so that I can know. This is the main account. See, this is the main account. Let me just put it like this. The main account. And then I also want you to write here in the figures that I put here, they must include VAT if they are vettable, but here there is no VAT at all. No VAT because it's refreshments. This must exclude VAT, so this can help us a lot. So it's important to write these things on top because it will be easy for you to understand. Can you see? So I'm going to put this 400 here. I'm also going to, can you see? This is drawings, so there's no drawings column here. I'm going to come here and put it here as 400, and then thereafter I'm going to write in the details column, I'm going to just write drawings. You see, I'm going to write drawings like that. Can you see how easy it is? So it's not vertible. Don't make a mistake of calculating that. Okay? The next one, it is on there. Let's go. The next one, it is on the 20th. You see, there's a PCJ here. So we bought stationery excluding VAT of 2760. Okay, so now 2760 is excluding VAT. So I'm gonna go and check now. I'm gonna record. So we're gonna record the date. The P is gonna be PC433 because obviously the first one was 432. PC433. The date was the 20th. And then if I check there, the details of name of payee, the name of payee was Randy Suppliers. Can you see? But we need to be careful here. The amount is let's go back and check. The amount is 2760. Yes, this amount is 2760. It is excluding VAT. So let's go and record 2760 excluding VAT. So it means I cannot put it here under petty cash because it is excluding VAT. So it means I need to go and check, is stationery having a column here? The answer is no. Can you see now? So it means I need to use the sundry. So I'm going to put that amount here. Can you see now? Of 2760. Why? Because it's excluding VAT. If this 2760 was including VAT, I was supposed to record it here. Remember, this is VATable. So I'm going to put it here, but this amount is for the stationery. Okay, I'm just going to write stationery. And you know the reason why I came here is because the stationery doesn't have a column. If the stationery had a column, I was supposed to record under its column. So the stationery is 2760 excluding VAT. So if this amount was including VAT, this 2760 was supposed to be recorded here. Does that make sense? So immediately after recording this 2760 here, we need to go and calculate VAT because it's VATable. But we need to ask ourselves a question. Remember I said you need to check if the amount is including VAT or excluding VAT. So this one is excluding VAT. I'm going to use 15 over 100. So I'm going to come here and say this amount times 15 over 100. Can you see now? Just like that. So when we use the calculator, I get something like 414. So 414 is my VAT. Can you see how we calculate VAT? So this is the VAT. So now when we go to the main column, we just have to add the 2 because this must include VAT. We say 276 2760 plus VAT. How much we get? Let's see. With the calculator, I get something like 3174. So my answer here is 3174, and then this is what I'm going to put here as 3174. Can you see? You need to be careful because if you put this 2760 there, it will give you some problems. So you must know where to record first. And thereafter, you just have to come here and you total. But like I said before, I prefer you to make sure that you put something at the bottom, especially for the future. Can you see now? So now you ask yourself, what is petty cash? Petty cash is an asset. So, but remember here we were paying this amount out of petty cash. So the petty cash is decreasing as an asset, it decreases on the credit side. Can you see put credits? And then now you do the opposite for the rest. Can you see now? Opposite debit, debit, and debit. Can you see just like that? So this is very much important. And please remember, practice makes perfect. Always practice, and I will see you in the next one.